Welcome to Daryn Klein Racing, everybody. It is Tuesday afternoon, about 4 o'clock. We are going to get the car unloaded, get it stripped down, washed, and probably start hanging a new body. We took yesterday off, all of us did, so we could get caught up on stuff around our houses. All of us work a full-time job and do this racing for fun. I hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit the thumbs up button. Leave us a comment. Share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, you can do so by hitting the race car down in the lower right-hand corner. You know, she's about stripped down and ready to shove outside, give her a bath.
Give it a shot. Over here and push on this and I'll smack. Ready?
Yep.
Pull it down. You're on camera.
Good as new.
What's that got to mean? You're on content. You know, everybody asks me how come I'm the only one on that video that's always working. You ain't the fucking only one. Because you just think you're the only one. I said that, and I didn't say it. I said everybody always asks me that. It's your red hair, Dave. Hey, take up. Your hair's rubbing off on you. Yeah.
It's hard for me to work and hold the camera.
Well, we know.
All cleaned out. Well, it's Thursday night, about 6:45. I'm just getting to the shop after getting off work. Let's go in and see what the guys are up to. Changing a door bar that got bent Saturday night. Also hanging a new body.
the other week.
If I would have known he was going to reuse that one, I would have cleaned it a little better.
That's all right.
It comes pretty clean with the power washer on hot water.
Yeah. Golly.
Way under there. Nose before the plastic or front bumper with the splitters on it before the nose goes on it. Left side's done. Nicholas is doing a little shining.
I quit, bro.
Butterfingers.
Telling me. Back there looks pretty good.
This one's brand new. Well, as you can see from the state of the car tonight, we are not racing this weekend. We're taking the weekend off, freshening the car up, going through it with a fine-tooth comb. We may try to race next weekend. If not, we will be at the Prairie Dirt Classic the following weekend on Friday night and Saturday night at the Fairbury Speedway with the World of Outlaws. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, leave us a comment, share with your friends, and please subscribe. You can do so by hitting the race car down in the lower right-hand corner. Have a good weekend.